Hey babes, Elise here, Global Pro Artist for Too Faced Cosmetics. Listen up, beauties. We all have that one friend with perfectly naturally glowing skin. You know the one. When you ask her what kind of foundation she uses, she says, "Oh, I just wear a little tinted moisturizer." That's nice. But if you're anything like me, I want and need coverage, but I don't want to look like I'm wearing anything. I want to look like I was born with flawless skin, which is why in this video, I'm going to show you how to get that truly undetectable coverage with Born This Way foundation. This dream formula is oil-free and builds easily from medium to full coverage. It has coconut water to help replenish without overhydrating and leaves your skin with a beautiful but natural radiance. Okay friends, are you ready for some flawless skin? Let's get started. I'm going to prep Michaela's skin with Hangover Primer, which replenishes and smooths and also helps to lock your foundation down so it lasts longer. A fun application tip for my girls who really want full coverage, try priming your skin first with Primed and Poreless pressed powder. I know it sounds weird to use a powder before a liquid, but you just have to trust me on this one because it works like a charm. Use the powder brush to apply in a downward motion. Next, let's choose your shade of Born This Way. Try matching down the center of your face and blending outward and then looking at your skin in natural light. Fluorescent lighting can give you a false sense of security. Natural lighting reveals all. Your foundation should blend seamlessly into your skin so you can't see where it starts or finishes. If you try to match from your neck, your foundation will likely be lighter than your skin because your neck doesn't see as much sun. Start by applying in the middle of your face and working out and down using the Kabuki Brush. You always want to end in a downward stroke to lay down the tiny hairs on your face. Next, apply Born This Way concealer, which is full coverage and has color-correcting pigments. This is like having a corrector and a concealer in one. I like to choose one shade lighter than the foundation to add a little brightness. Apply in the triangle of light and tap in with your finger moving upward towards your temple to get that fresh and awake appearance. Now I'm going to set the foundation with the brand new Born This Way setting powder. This coconut water infused powder is silky and lightweight and sets your makeup with a beautiful luminous veil. The last step in this look is to set your skin with our new 3-in-1 Hangover Spray. This spray replenishes, primes, and sets all in one. I'm so addicted to this spray and it feels and smells so good and it makes your makeup look so melted in and natural. You guys are gonna love it. To apply, shake the bottle well, then hold about 6 to 8 inches from your face. Haters will say it's Photoshop, but you can tell them you were born this way. I love you all. Go forth and own your pretty.